So the next step that I'm going to teach you is how to set your hand when your palms are on the ground. So we're going to come down on the ground like this, and pretend like you're doing a push-up, you're doing a plank, whatever it is. But first thing I want you to do is put your hands like this, just nice and easy. In general, your wrists are going to be stacked onto your shoulders, but that's for another time. And I want you to gently claw your fingertips down into the ground so it gets a little bit lighter in the nail bed. Spin your arms away from each other, which puts my elbow pits, if that's a term, forward, and then I'm going to push the world away. So again, the set for the hand, palm down, is fingers nice like this, kind of like middle fingers going from 12 o'clock, pointing down towards 6 o'clock. Wrists would be under your shoulders, but again, it depends on what exercise you're doing. Then you're going to gently claw your fingertips down into the ground, spin your arms away from each other, push the world away. And when you push that world away, you're really getting your shoulder blades set in the appropriate position for that. So gently claw, spin away, push the world away. That's how you set your hand, palm down.